Welcome to Module 5, and this section will be titled Cards, Dialog, and Snack Bar. And these are the three main Angular material components we'll be working with under this module. The first thing we'll get into is setting up our Angular material card, and we'll add that within our profile page, our user profile page. Then we'll learn how to work with the Angular material dialog. And there's a few videos on just working with the dialog because there's so much we could do with it. The first video on working with the dialog is we'll learn how we could launch the dialog or open the dialog. And then later we'll be passing data into the dialog, leveraging the structural directives that the Angular material dialog gives us. Then last with the dialog, we learn how we could close the dialog from within the TypeScript file, and also how we could use the user's data or pass the user's data back to the parent component. Then we close out this section by showing the user a nice notification when they update their user information. And we use a Angular Material Snack Bar service to help us with that. Let's take a look at our user profile page before we apply any of these changes. We'll be working inside of the user profile manager page. And as you can see, we have an empty canvas here. We just got this placeholder text. And that's pretty much it for our user profile component currently. Now let's take a look at the after. After our changes, we now have this nice Angular material card that shows our user profile information. And then we can update this information by clicking on the edit profile. This opens a dialog that we'll be setting up. And notice that we're passing data into our dialog from the user profile manager component. Then we can also update this information and pass it back to our parent component. I'll change the name. And then if we select the update button, notice that we're showing the Angular Material Snack Bar at the bottom. And our user profile manager component user information is updated. This is what we have to look forward to in Module 5. So let's get started.